You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Take a ride in the 2019 A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology. Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: clock, brake assist, tachometer, steering wheel controls. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.